Hey guys, it's Ben here from Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. Today we're taking a look at a fantastic truck that just landed on our lot here. It's a 2020 Ram 3500 Limited Mega Cab. Let's go take a look. At the front of the truck here, you will notice it does have your exposed tow hooks, as well as these very nice park sensors built into the fog lights, as well as these LED headlights as well. You will notice this also has a bracket here, so you can put a plate on the front, and under the hood here you will notice it does come with the 6.7 liter Cummins. Along the side of the truck here you will notice it does come with 20-inch chrome rims as well as power running boards. This one also has proximity entry and as well as a surround view camera as well. The back of the truck here you will notice it does have your trailer hitch as well as 4 and 7-pin trailer plugs. This one does have a rear view camera as well as a slow drop tailgate. It does come with the 5th wheel hitch prep as well as a box liner. Your seat here you will notice it has your phone controls on the left side of the steering wheel and your cruise controls on the right. This one does come equipped with the 12-inch touchscreen with navigation, as you can see here. It does also feature 2 USBs and 2 USB Type-C plugs right below, with the RAM charger in the center console as well. If we take a look up at the top here, you will notice it does come with a sunroof as well as your assist and SOS buttons, and also a universal garage door opener. In the back seat here, you will notice it does have the cup holders for extra cup storage in the back, as well as the cup holders here, which also has an inlay for an iPad, just in case you have some passengers in the back that want to watch a movie. These back seats are indeed heated as well, and in the back seat here, since it is a mega cab, the seats do fold down forwards for extra storage. These ones do as well. I just am unable to reach the switch. If you guys are interested in pictures and pricing or want to make this truck yours, feel free to click the link in the description or give us a call at 780-942-3629.